गोंय सरकाराच्या कदम महामंडळाक गोंयच्या लोकांक बरी सेवा दिवपाक अपेस आयला असो खर आरोप गोंय काँग्रेसीन केला। कदंबाचे बसीक फाटल्या 2 वर्सांत कितलेशेच अपघात जाल्यात। तशेंच दर दिसा बसी ब्रेकडावन जावपाचे सत्र चालूच आसता अशें म्हणत तांणी कदंबा महामंडळाचेर वेगवेगळे प्रश्न केल्यात। कदंबा महामंडळाच्या बसींचो कारभार पळयल्यार महामंडळांत भ्रष्टाचार चल्ला असो आरोपय तांणी फुडें केला। आरडेक्स गोवा खातीर पणजेच्यान संजय मनोली।
Now this Kadamba bus service is run by the Kadamba Transport Corporation Limited, which is a government of Goa undertaking. And what is the aim of that KTCL? I'll read out to you from their own website. Kadamba Transport Corporation was set up by the government of Goa as a company in 1980 with the objective, please hear this, with the objective of providing safe, reliable, time-saving, efficient, comfortable and affordable services to the travelling public. Now, जे information आम्ही घेतला under RTI, ते जर तुम्ही पळय जाल्यार information is pertaining to the number of accidents and breakdowns involving KTC buses while on road duty on nationalized routes, that is Panje Madgaon and Panje Vasco and vice versa, respectively for the period from 2014 till date. म्हणजे 2 वर्षा सुद्धा नाही, 2014 ते till date हे information डेपो वाइज तुमका information दिला। Porvorim, number of accidents 3, number of breakdowns 114. Margao, number of accidents 26, number of breakdowns 298.
2
वर्षाचे see that 214 till date. Vasco, number of accidents 13, number of breakdowns 159. Panjim, number of accidents 10, number of breakdowns 30. Now if you see the number of accidents, in other words the maintenance and the functioning of KTC, you see, is not all that good. What is the reason for all these accidents? What is the reason for all these breakdowns? I am not saying anything, I am only asking questions. Because when you have 114 breakdowns, 298 breakdowns, 159 breakdowns and 30 breakdowns, depot wise on these routes, the 3 questions which arises are: is it because of substandard parts? Number 2, is it because of corruption? Number 3, or is it because of no maintenance? Because the number of accidents and the number of breakdowns are shockingly high, and it is a state-run transport service which swears of providing reliable and safe transport to the people of Goa.